Biotech. 12080 Symbiosol. Premium gourmet salt-free from high blood pressure. The truth of salt. Biotech 12080 Symbiosol will change the wrong understanding of salt you have had so far. Biotech. Salt is composed of a variety of microelements including sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, potassium chloride, and calcium chloride, and is made from seawater. Seawater is the source of life, and its composition is similar to the salinity composition of the human body. Low-sodium diets are widespread throughout the world, based on the general theory that sodium, one of the salt's elements, increases blood pressure. But the theory is not correct. Most people believe that salt is the cause of many diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, renal failure, cardiovascular disease, etc. But the salt those people eat is sodium chloride, not salt. Salt is seawater concentrated mineral crystal and the only condiment with a salty taste. Salt should be classified as quite different from sodium chloride, but still most people consider highly purified salt with over 99.5% sodium chloride or MSG containing salt as the salt they usually consume. Purified may be defined as the salt made from naturally evaporated seawater or high mineral solar containing balanced seawater minerals, both of which consist of sodium chloride of less than 97% and other microelements of the remaining percent. Consumption of such sodium chloride or low-sodium salt derived from the argument that sodium causes high blood pressure and thus salt is harmful to the human body. But our study shows very different findings. The study found that chlorine is actually involved in the elevation of blood pressure rather than sodium, though further research is required. Since the theory that chlorine raises blood pressure was proposed by Ambarad L. and Boujard E. in France in 1904, many supporting studies have been published. The 12080 Symbiosol has been developed based on the theory for the first time in the world. Chlorine ions increase angiotensin II, a substance related to the elevation of blood pressure, by activating ACE, angiotensin-converting enzyme, within the human body. The Sackler 12080 Symbiosol curbs the activation of ACE within the body and reduces the excretion of BUN, and creatinine that are created by kidneys.
기토산 소금을 쥐한테 사용해봤을 때 일반 소금보다 혈압을 낮게 유지시켜줬습니다. 또한 인체에 사용해봤을 때 인체의 경우는 장기간 실험 못합니다. 단기간 사용해봤을 때 혈압을 높인다고 알려주는 엔지오텐신 전환효소를 낮게 유지시켜주고 혈압에 관련이 있는 나트륨 그리고 염소의 함량을 혈액에서 낮게 유지시켜주는 것을 저희가 관찰하였습니다. 이것으로 봤을 때 인체에서도 기토산 소금은 혈압을 낮게 유지시켜주는 기능이 있을 거라 저희가 생각을 합니다.
The 12080 Symbiosol is a product made of chitosan combined with high mineral sun-dried salt from the tidelands of Korea. Since chitosan is the only natural substance with a positive ion, it plays an effective role in restraining the absorption of chlorine ions of salt into the blood vessels. It passes polymerized chlorine ions from the body through the digestive organs. Salt of 100 grams is made up of 35 grams sodium, about 60 grams chlorine, and the remaining microelements. When the amount of sodium absorbed into the body is 100, the amount of absorbed chlorine is supposed to be about 90. But in reality, the consumption of chlorine is twice as much as that of sodium. This overconsumed chlorine ion may elevate the blood pressure and do harm to health. In addition, chlorine may be a reason of osteoporosis because it combines with calcium ions within the body before coming out of the body. An animal test has proved that 12080 Symbiosol helps improve bone strength. This 21st century functional salt makes a variety of food taste better when added to the food, and it may also help people who have to consume limited salt. The 12080 Symbiosol is a registered international trademark, and the company holds a patent for the product in Korea and the US, while it is pending in Europe and Japan. Enlisting support from the International Barefoot Doctors, whose head office is in Paris, France, this salt sells in France, Spain, Belgium, Germany, and Luxembourg, and is exported to Italy, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Australia, Canada, the US, Mexico, and Taiwan. Biotech leads the change of the general sense about salt. 12080 Symbiosol chitosan salt provides both taste and health. Biotech will make a new salt history through continuous research and development. 12080 Symbiosol gives customers both taste and health. Biotech's business is based on trust. Biotech.